Welcome back to Andrea Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to show you 3 paperclip tricks that are going to save you so much time. So watch what happens. We're going to get to this in just a second. By the way, why do they give you so many paper clips? I use these paper clips for more things other than paper. Let me know, have you ever gone through an entire container of these paper clips? They just sit on my desk looking all cool, but rarely ever used. But let's get to some cool tricks that you can use in and around your home. Dun dun dun, we're just venturing into a storage closet here. We moved not too long ago. Oh, hello, back in here. Wrapping paper. This is the bane of my existence. Here is one of the best ways to use a paper clip. Go ahead, slip this in. That way it can close in on your gift wrap without damaging it. I'm doing this one-handed, by the way. There we go, one-handed right there. And then when you take it out, you take all these rolls out. You don't have a situation with all these coming undone. Another little trick for you, this is not related to paper clips, is you can take a pantyhose, an old pantyhose, if you have some gift wrap that you really love, slip it over the top of this. Otherwise, grab yourself a paper clip and it works like magic. I'm gonna take you someplace I've never taken anyone before, right in here. The amazing thing about these paper clips is that you can bend them any which way that you would like. I like to shape mine like a little dagger, like this one right here. We're gonna get in this brush. Let's see how much hair I can get out of here. How disgusting is this? This is more than you bargained for in this video. By the way, I have a ton of videos about how to clean out these hair brushes. Let me get you in real close. We get up close and personal here on Andrea Jean Cleaning. Now don't we? Get in there. This is oddly satisfying. If you ask me, get underneath there. There aren't many tools that you can actually use to get in there and get all that hair. Sometimes you can use another comb, but you gotta have the right kind of comb. Like, what is the string doing in there? Oh my word. This is what I'm talking about right here at the end of the comb. But this is nicer, the paper clip, because it's thinner. You can go this way or that way. Now, let's talk about this bread. Really briefly, the graveyard of the bread. Now, you may get your bread and then you have like this twist tie and then you twist in it and then you gotta untwist it a few times. It can be quite time consuming, and then this can be tricky for kids or if you struggle with arthritis. So this is what I like to do instead. And also instead of buying chip clips, because you get a million of these in a container. There's several ways that you can do this. You can go ahead and just slide this across, but I do think air gets in there more easily. So what I like to do is actually just roll it, squeeze out any of that excess air, and then I just go ahead and slip it on the bread like this, and then I can lay it flat wherever it needs to go. I put my bread in the refrigerator. Let me know in the comments box below. Do you also refrigerate your bread, or is that just a thing that we do here in the Midwest? Give the video a thumbs up. YouTube thinks that you're gonna wanna watch this video. I think you're gonna wanna watch this video. Let's see who's right.